Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to the Max class. Today, we are going to start our 7th chapter, Speed Math. Let's start with an example. Students, look at the table. The table showing the first 5 in men's 100 meters sprint in the London Olympics. In the table, given that name of players and time taken for each players. Usain Bolt 9.63 seconds, Johan Black 9.75 seconds, Justin Gatling 9.79 seconds, Tyson Gay 9.80 seconds and Ryan Bailey 9.88 seconds. Students, find out from this table who won the race. Yes, Usain Bolt won the race because he took less time and his speed was faster than others. In this chapter, we discuss about speed relating problems. So, let's study about relation between speed, distance and time. Speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Distance is equal to speed into time. And time is equal to distance divided by speed. The unit of speed is meter per second or kilometer per hour. Okay. Let's learn an example from the textbook, page number 99. Selina and Veena went to Kozhikode for the State Arts Festival. Selina travelled in a jeep covering 90 kilometers in 2 hours. Veena came in a car traveling 150 kilometers in 3 hours. Which vehicle is faster? In the question, given that Selina travelled in a jeep and Veena travelled in a car. For Selina, distance travelled is equal to 90 kilometers. Time taken equal to 2 hours. Then, average speed of the jeep is equal to distance travelled by time taken, which is equal to 90 divided by 2. 90 by 2 is 45 km per hour. So, the average speed of the jeep is equal to 45 km per hour. For Veena, distance travelled is equal to 150 km. Time taken is equal to 3 hours. Then average speed of the car is equal to distance divided by time taken, which is equal to 150 divided by 3. 150 divided by 3 is 50 km per hour. So the speed of the car is faster than jeep. Next, we shall do the exercise question number 1 from the textbook, page number 99. Sudhir travelled in a train covering 240 kilometers in 3 hours to reach Thiruvananthapuram. Ramesh came in another train, travelling 120 kilometers in 2 hours. Which train is faster? How much faster? In the question, given that Sudhir and Ramesh travelled in 2 separate trains. For Sudhir, distance travelled is equal to 240 km. Time taken is equal to 3 hours. Then, average speed of the train is equal to distance travelled divided by time taken, which is 240 divided by 3. 240 by 3 is 80 km per hour. For Ramesh, distance travelled is equal to 120 km. Time taken is equal to 2 hours. Then, average speed of the train is equal to distance travelled by time taken, which is equal to 120 divided by 2. 120 by 2 is 60 km per hour. So, the average speed of the train is equal to 60 km per hour. The speed of the train travelled by Sudhir is faster than Ramesh. train faster than the other train by 20 km per hour. That is 80 minus 60 equal to 20. In this section, we learn the relationship between speed, distance and time. Here is an activity for you. Students, do the exercise questions from the textbook page number 100. That's all for today. Thank you.